Okay. And rolling. Action.
Our first scenario is scenario 1, in which a parent is asking the teacher about differentiated instruction in the classroom.
Thank you for meeting with me. I realize as a teacher you're very busy, but I just have a few questions about the gifted program functions in your classroom.
It's my pleasure to meet with you. It's good when a parent expresses concern for his child. Please feel free to ask me whatever you would like.
First of all, I would like to know how a gifted classroom functions differently from a regular classroom.
Well, to begin with, gifted students sometimes acquire information more quickly than regular ed students. For that reason, lessons are structured to challenge them. They're not given more work, but they're given more challenging work. Activities that will stretch their skills and imagination, not just keep them busy.
So is that where the term differentiated curriculum would come into your classroom procedures? Because I'm not really sure what that term means.
Maybe I can help with that. Here's an official definition. Differentiated instruction would be a curriculum which includes self-instructional programs, learning packets or learning contracts, and advanced materials, internet study. It also provides an option both in and out of the classroom.
In simpler terms, this means that the lessons and activities are structured to meet the learning styles of students.
Can you give me a specific example?
Of course, imagine you're reviewing the topic of the layers of the earth. To differentiate instructions, you may give students options. For example, you may offer students choices such as whether to make a poster or a brochure in order to assess their comprehension of the topic.
But how would you use this in an everyday situation?
Well, on a daily basis, we may set up areas in the classroom for students to work in various manners, like a reading area, a computer area, or an experiment station.
Okay, I see. So you were trying to help students by various means. That makes it much clearer. Thank you for clearing that up for me.
I'm certainly glad to help, and thank you so much for coming in to talk to me. Now, scenario 3 is about a teacher asking about finding gifted students in her classroom.
Is that just the two?
Never mind, one, two.
Mrs. Casey, would you help me with something? I have some students who may be unidentified gifted students. How can I decide if they are or not?
Actually, there are many traits that you can look for. Here's a list of characteristics that may help you decide. Look for the student who understands quickly, finishes work quickly and correctly, and discusses unusual topics.
Yes, I do have some students like that.
Some other things you may see are students with advanced vocabulary use, exceptional analytical skills, high levels of creativity, advanced problem-solving skills, divergent thinking, good memory, and spatial abilities.
Wow, that's a lot to keep in mind.
No, it's not necessary to memorize the list, just take mine. Oh, another trait you may see in gifted students is that their academic performance and maturity are incongruous because their intellectual age is above their chronological age, which determines maturity.
I've also noted some students who sometimes seem gifted, but not so much at other times.
Don't discount a student because of negative traits such as the student being disorganized, depressed, withdrawn, or off task. Sometimes these are also traits of giftedness.
Okay, boy, this gives me a lot to think about. I think I will start observing students more carefully. Thanks a lot for your help.
Anytime.
And cut.
That's a wrap.
All right. Good.